going on, everybody? Fast Action Blades here. It's draw time for the Norton Sharpening stone. So I have everybody's name written down here with a number attached, typical FAB style drawing. And today I'm going to be using a PVC bow. So there's all the names. 88 entries. Thank you very much to everyone who participated. I've got my crappy PVC bow here. Hasn't been shot in a long time. I hope it still works. And over here, got the numbers 1 through 88. And my bow is extremely inaccurate. There's a lot of compensating going on, so really this is anybody's game. I'm gonna have to aim far left just to hit the target, I believe, if I remember how this crappy bow shoots. So let's get down to shooting. Pick us a winner. Good luck, everyone. Alright, let's see if we can pick a winner here. I don't even know if this thing's going to shoot. Well, I hit the target, didn't hit the paper. I think it's not shooting as hard as it was when I first made this. Alright, let's see if we got a number. And you know, 47. You're so close, buddy. You're so close, but it's not actually touching. As you can see there, the 47, it's so close. The hole is over there. Alright, let's shoot again. Stupid friggin' camera. Stopped recording. Holy jeez. Well, looks like I hit number 25 here. Congrats. Let's find out who number 25 is. Get out of here. And there we go. Number 25, S&I Arsenal. Congratulations, S&I Arsenal. You are the lucky winner of the Norton Sharpening stone. And what the hell? Since my camera stopped recording for that, I am going to do a second winner so we can actually get one of these shots on camera, hopefully. So let's go. Let's pick a second winner for another prize. number 67 with a tiny bit of a touch on that 6. Alright, 67. And what do you know? 67, Will Hornbuckle. Oh yeah, this guy got robbed on the last one. So I'm so glad that he actually took this. Alright, Will, I believe I already have your address info, but if you want to just send it to me again just to be certain. And yeah, I already sent you some buttons, so you know, I'll send you off a little surprise gift here. So just give me your information and we'll get that shipped off for you. So thank you very much everyone for participating. So stay tuned for the 4500 Sub GAW that I'm going to be doing very soon. I'm past 4600. I just wanted to wrap this one up first before I got that underway, so stick around for the 4500 sub giveaway. Thank you very much for watching everyone, and you have yourselves a great day.